Hey there, creative pals! Are you ready to have a blast drawing a delicious donut together? Awesome! Let's get started. Use a compass to draw a perfect circle. This will be the base of our scrumptious donut. Now, trace that circle with a light sketch. It doesn't have to be perfect because donuts come in all shapes and sizes. Grab your yellow color. Start drawing a wavy line all around the circle in a circular pattern. Imagine it's the yummy, sugary glaze on top of our donut. Color in that wavy line with your yellow color. Go ahead and make it nice and vibrant. Our donut's looking delicious already. Now, take your brown color and fill in the area left out from the glaze. This is the doughy part of our donut. Use a darker brown to draw some chocolate syrup drizzling down the donut. Chocolatey goodness. Draw some colorful dots all over the glaze. To make our donut look 3D, use brown to darken the inner circle. This gives it depth and makes it look even yummier. And there you go, a mouth-watering donut masterpiece. You did fantastic!